Welcome, this is El Moro Pigeon Show. I am your host, El Moro, and this morning is cloudy, 65 degrees, which is perfect for the birds, a little windy. And I used to be kind of concerned to let the birds out in this type of weather because I used to think, man, the hawk, when this weather is like this, the hawk really is like kicking. But you know something? The other day I let them out and it was very sunny. And it's hard for them to see the hawk if the sun is out shining, shining really, really hard. Like if the hawk comes from the way that the sun is shining, they hear him, but they don't see him. It's even hard for me to see it. Like I look and the sun is shining, and if the hawk is flying really high in the direction of the sun, you won't see it. Like if the sun is over here on this side, see, I hear a hawk now, you won't see it. Now if the hawk is come from there, in the morning the sun is here. So if the sun is here and the hawk comes from here, they see it. But if the sun is over here, like it is every morning, and the hawk is in that direction really high, it's hard for them to see it. So, I don't know. I guess now is better time. That's just my opinion. You guys let me know what you think. Even though I really like the blue sky for them to fly, these guys, they look at them. They really want to fly now. They can't wait until I open. These three guys are always like slow to come out. All right, so good. They're flying. Nothing, no hawks or nothing came out. That's very good. So now I'm gonna let these guys out. Because they haven't flown in a little while. In a day. They haven't flown in a day. The Most High willing. Oh gosh. Can I please open before you get out? The Most High willing. I am. I am going today. Okay, let me finish my sentence. The Most High willing, I am going to put them together now in January. Now, if these guys don't want to come out, I'm not going to push them out today. But usually they do. No, but if you got to fly, guys. Go. Come on. Get out of here. Hey, mommy. That's baby. Let me open this because she usually likes to go in here. You like to go in there, mama? You like to go in there? I'm going to lock you up in there. Oh, I hear the hawk. I'm going to lock you up in there, mommy. I'm going to lock you up in there, baby. Her name is Baby. That's my 11 feather girl. Yes. I'm going to have, this year, the Most High willing, I'm going to have some nice babies from them. Where does this guy go? They're flying here. Hey, get out of here. Thank you. Go flying, man. Oh, they're everywhere. Yeah, they are. Well, it's a nice weather to fly, man. Nice weather. I think I'm gonna go in there. Sometimes you gotta give him a little boost. Hey guys, come on. Vamos para afuera, vamos. Dale. Tiger, I must smack you in a minute. Chill out. What's your problem? What's your problem, man? Okay, where the birds go? Yeah, you get jealous I'm paying attention to the pigeons and not to you? Sit. Sit. Give me 5. Now sit pretty. Sit pretty. Sit pretty. Sit pretty. Good boy. Sit pretty. Sit pretty. Hey. Shh. Sit pretty. Come on. Sit pretty. Hey. Come on. Sit pretty. You don't want to listen to me today. Sit pretty. Sit pretty. Sit pretty. Sit pretty. Sit. Sit pretty. Sit pretty. Hey. Come here. Sit pretty. Man, you don't want. Okay, let's look at the birds. Because you don't want to listen to me today. How about when I got food in my hand, you sit pretty, huh? Yeah, let me get these guys out, guys. Making a little video here today. Give me a minute. Let me put my cover my mouth. Going in there. I'm taking you guys in there with me. Oh gosh, I hurt my shoulder. I can't open this. What y'all doing here? Give me a minute here, man. Oh, really? That's my Spanish powder. Came in here. Get out of here. All right, you guys gotta go fly now. Vamos. Afuera todo el mundo. Vamos. 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 Dale. Afuera todo el mundo. Go. 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 Dale. Afuera. Afuera, para afuera, para afuera, para afuera. Para afuera, para afuera. So now, I close this, and when they want to come in, they can come in whenever they want to come in. Oh, this door, I gotta fix that door. Oh, you guys gotta go flying, everybody. Go. What is your problem, dude? Look at this guy. Look. Stop! Look at them. I got a bunch there and a bunch over there. Hey, chill out. Oh. Hey, stop! That's my Spanish powder. Let me open this for her. Yeah. She can go back in. She got eggs. She's got fake eggs. Yeah. They see something. They're flying a nest like that. Sometimes they leave like flying in an S pattern. But sometimes they fly like that when there's a hawk. And I know there's hawks around here. I can't hear them. You know. So let's see how much they fly today. Sometimes they fly just 30 minutes. Sometimes they fly an hour. Sometimes 45 minutes. Just depends, man. You know? Look at them. You know, that's... Oh, let me open this for this girl right here. That's, who is that? Let me see. Come on, you want to go in? Go ahead. That's my black tiger girl. Come on, you can go down. She just want to breed that girl right there. See this girl right here? The whole period of molting, she didn't go out. She had a really ugly molt, man, this girl. She didn't go out, she didn't low fly, she didn't exercise. One day I'm doing a toss, and I grabbed her by mistake, and I took her 18 miles. And she came back the next day. I'm like, oh man, I didn't do that. I didn't want to do that. These guys are flying low today. Look at that. I think they want to go in. I don't know why they're doing that. Maybe because there's a hawk around. See how they curving and curving and curving? Watch this, watch. See? There you go. See? Those curves. See how they curve? Then they want to go down or they want to go on the tree. I don't know. Ah, you're making me dizzy. Yeah, I want to go on the tree. Look at the boys. The boys are like, yo, baby. Oh, look at that. They came down. They're like, yo, baby. Yo, Adrian. They're going in already, those guys. A lot of them, some of them got fake eggs. These guys. That's okay. They're flying fast. Straight to the loft. They see the cocks, man. They see the cocks. They see the cocks and they want to go in. That's okay. You know, pigeons, yeah, they love to fly. But they want to mate, man. This is what they want to do. They want to mate. We the one that want them to fly. We want them to fly and we take them far away and we toss them. Oh my gosh. You know, pigeons, they can sense danger, man. They can sense danger. Bum, bum, bum. If you're gonna come down, go in, man. Look at my cocks. Look at my cocks, they're going crazy. Look, that's Paul Bacera. Paul Bacera going crazy. Listen to him, listen to him. Look at these guys. They're going nuts. It's that time, it's that time. Don't worry about it, like 2-3 more weeks. 2-3 more weeks, y'all willing. 2-3 more weeks. That's what I see. They hear that. The hens hear that in the air. They just want to go in. You know what I should do? I should leave one cock out. One Spanish powder cock. They'll go crazy.